Maryland joins states proposing strategic Bitcoin reserve. Bitcoin reserve. UK crypto regulations. United States. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Maryland introduces legislation to establish a Bitcoin reserve fund, allowing cryptocurrency holdings as a hedge against fiat inflation. The bill could reshape state financial strategies. Last updated, February 7, 2025. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Journalist. Hassan Shitu. Journalist. Hassan Shitu. Author categories. About author. Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile. Share. Copied. Last updated, February 7, 2025 at 23:47 GMT+2. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. Read more. Maryland is moving forward with integrating Bitcoin into its financial framework. On Friday, February 7, 2025, State Representative Kalen Young introduced legislation to create a Bitcoin reserve. Maryland has become the 17th U.S. state to propose a Bitcoin reserve strategy, reflecting the increasing cryptocurrency adoption at the state level. Maryland joins Bitcoin adoption as more states consider Bitcoin. MDHB 1389, introduced by Maryland State Representative Kalen Young on February 7, proposes that the state diversify its investment portfolio by holding Bitcoin as a hedge against fiat currency inflation. If passed, the legislation would establish a Bitcoin strategic reserve fund, overseen by the state treasurer, to act as a reserve asset. The proposed bill allows Maryland to invest in Bitcoin using funds obtained from enforcing gambling violations. Additionally, it permits the fund to accept Bitcoin donations from governmental entities and state residents. The legislation would also require government agencies to accept cryptocurrency for taxes, fees, fines, and other approved payments. Payees would be responsible for transaction fees. The bill outlines a structured approach to purchasing and storing Bitcoin, emphasizing security, transparency, and accountability in managing digital assets. Maryland joins a growing list of states considering similar legislation, including Arizona, Alabama, and Florida, among 17 others. The number has now reached 17 of the 50 U.S. states, according to data from bitcoinlaws.io. Maryland's bill follows recent initiatives in other states, including Utah, where House Bill 230 advanced through the House on February 6 and is now heading to the Senate. Utah's bill proposes allowing the state treasurer to allocate up to 5% of certain public funds into Bitcoin and other high-cap digital assets. Similarly, Kentucky introduced a Bitcoin reserve bill, KYHB 376, on February 6, authorizing the State Investment Commission to allocate up to 10% of excess state reserves into Bitcoin and other digital assets. ECB says no to Bitcoin reserves, but will U.S. states move forward? Senator Cynthia Lummis is moving forward with her Bitcoin reserve bill, which seeks to position the U.S. as a major holder of the digital asset. In a January 21st interview, she stated that while progress is being made, the bill requires at least 60 Senate votes for bipartisan support. The proposal seeks to accumulate 1 million Bitcoin, 5% of the total supply, over the next 5 years. The U.S. could partially fund this reserve by repurposing the 198,100 Bitcoin seized from asset forfeitures. In comparison, the remaining 801,900 Bitcoin could be acquired through emergency financial measures, such as reallocating a portion of the country's $455 billion gold reserves. Asset manager VanEck estimates that if Bitcoin appreciates at a 25% annual rate, while the U.S. national debt rises by 5% annually, the U.S. could reduce its debt by 35% by 2049. Meanwhile, Europe takes a more cautious approach. European Central Bank, ECB, President Christine Lagarde has reiterated that Bitcoin will not be included in EU central bank reserves, citing concerns over liquidity, security, and its association with illicit activity. ECB board member Piero Cipollone warned that national banks adding Bitcoin may face reevaluations of their repo and swap agreements. Amid all these, globally, El Salvador and Bhutan already hold Bitcoin, while Germany, Poland, and Hong Kong are exploring similar moves. As states continue exploring Bitcoin reserves, policymakers and investors alike are prompted to consider how this digital asset could reshape traditional finance in the years ahead. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Trump Media and Technology Group files for ETFs. SMS Trader explains why XRP could skyrocket to $100 after Tristan Tate ex-post Bitwise Matt Hogan makes big prediction on Bitcoin's next bear market. Price analysis. 4 XRP ETF filings, hit the SEC. Will this push XRP to new all-time highs? 9 hours ago. By Simon Chandler. Blockchain News. What's happening in crypto today? Daily Crypto News Digest. 9 hours ago. By Seed Fadil Pazik. Bitcoin News. Utah one step closer to becoming first U.S. state with Bitcoin reserve. 19 hours ago. By Ruhalaman Hakanas. Blockchain News. Bybit, BitGet, MEXC, Qcoin apps. Removed from Japanese App Store. 1 day ago. By Tim Alper. Altcoin News. House Republicans release discussion draft for U.S. stablecoin regulation. 18 hours ago. By Suja Sundararajan.